Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer Amazon Pay balance refund to a bank account. To transfer money from your Amazon Pay wallet or balance to your bank account, you need to access the right option inside the app. First, open the Amazon app on your phone and log into your account. After that, open Amazon Pay from the main menu. Once you're on the Amazon Pay page, look for the option that says Send Money. This option is usually available under the Quick Actions section. If you don't see it right away, tap on the See More option at the top right of the screen to view additional options, and you should find Send Money there. Tap on it to continue. Now, you'll be asked to choose where you want to send the money. Since we want to transfer the money to a bank account, select the bank transfer option shown on your screen. Next, you'll need to enter your bank details. This includes the IFSC code, your bank account number, and confirming the account number to make sure everything is correct. You can also add a nickname for this bank account if you want to use it again in the future. After entering all the details, tap on the Continue button. On the next screen, enter the amount you want to transfer from your Amazon Pay balance. Once you've entered the amount, scroll down and tap on the Continue button at the bottom. Finally, you'll see a confirmation screen. Review all the details carefully, and when you're ready, tap on the Pay option at the bottom of the screen to complete the transfer. That's it. Your money should be transferred successfully. Before you go, a quick tip. If you often use payment apps or do online transactions, it's a good idea to keep your connection secure. I personally recommend using NordVPN because it helps protect your data, especially on public Wi-Fi, and keeps your online activity private. If you're interested, you can get NordVPN at a great discounted price by using the link in the description.